guys, welcome back to our channel. For today we have a fun unboxing video. So first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to KOOPOWER for gifting us not one but two cordless vacuum cleaners. Obviously we are not going to unbox both, but you can win one of these for yourself. You just need to watch until the end of the video and see where we are going to post the giveaway and what you need to do to win this. So what I love about this vacuum cleaner is that it has its wall mount. So you can attach it to the wall and you just take it, clean, put it right back, and it's going to be space saver and actually really practical. This vacuum cleaner comes in two colors, so you can get it in gray red or gray white. We have both in gray red, so we are going to unbox ours right now and let's see how it looks. I have cut the tape. Now let's see the first look. Cool. Awesome. Oh my gosh, I love it. Here we have the user's manual, everything we need to know about this vacuum cleaner, how to use it, how to clean it probably. I'm definitely going to take a closer look at everything and see. Okay, so the first thing we have here is the metal rod. Let's take this out. Oops, easy. Okay, so we need to... I got it out. It's so shiny and metallic. I love this color. Look at this. Ooh, it's almost like glossy. Okay, so next we have this long crevice. We need this to mount it on the wall. And this is the wall mount base. Next we have, this must be the bed cleaning nozzle. Here we have the motorized floor head. Let's see how it looks. I'm not sure what this is for. Ooh, okay. Okay, so we can probably open this from here and clean it. Super flexible. This is going to be super helpful to clean under the furniture and bed. Here we have the 2-in-1 brush. Let me just see how to... Okay, I need to push here and just pull it back. Here we have the charger. And last but not least, ooh, the main unit. Oh, bubbles. Let's take this out. And here we have it. Okay, so here we have the cyclone filter. Here we have the trapdoor. We just need to press this and automatically it's emptying into the recycle bin. You don't even need to touch it. It's going to self-clean like that. Just close it and go back to work. So here on the top we see lock and unlock. Let's see what it does. Okay, so here we can remove the cyclone and everything that is needed to be cleaned. Just make sure you're not putting anything inside wet. Just leave it for at least 24 hours to be completely dried. And now it's locked again. Here we can see two speeds. So we have the normal one and max. So let's just try first the normal one. We have here the trigger button. We need to keep it pushed to use it. Okay, so now let's see the maximum speed. on the bottom we have the built-in battery. Okay, so the two speeds are Eco and Max. So this is the power that we have. So you can also remove completely the dustbin in order to clean the cyclone really well, and you can remove everything, but you need to press this button and open this so it can be completely detached. Okay, it's time to put this together. So this is the way you need to clip it. Till it clips, and here. And here it is all mounted up, and now let's test it. So I'm going to switch to Max and let's try it. Moving to my daughter's room. So I only cleaned a little bit of the rugs in 2 rooms, so look at how much dust I have here, and hair is definitely pulling out the hair also, and we do have a dog, so this is going to be super good for us. Okay, now I want to clean the bed, so I want to switch it to the bed cleaning nozzle. So you can either choose to have it short and put it right here, or you can leave it longer with also this extension, and this is how you clip it, or just put it here directly like that, and now you have such a tiny vacuum cleaner, and it's perfect for the bed. Let's try it. So every Saturday when I clean the house, I like to clean the bed also, because you have dust mites and dead skin and dust and everything. So let's try it out. So this is my favorite brush to use in crevices or on the sofa or in different tiny places. It's really helpful, and it's time to open it, and I'm going to push it from here so you can see. And oh my gosh, just look at this. I didn't even know I have this in my house. So much dust, seriously? Wow. So this was pretty much it about this vacuum. It's really cool. I absolutely love how well it cleans the dust from just a small area that I vacuum. I only vacuum 3 small areas around the house just to show you guys how it works. And I was so impressed how much dust it actually collected, and wow. So if you want to win this, then you can go to our Instagram account where the giveaway is going to take place, and you can win this vacuum cleaner for yourself. I want to say a huge thank you to KOOPOWER for gifting us these vacuum cleaners. I'm going to put the link down in the description. You can go and visit them on Instagram at KOOPOWER Official. So if you enjoyed this unboxing video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe with the bell, follow us on Instagram at Tanya's Toys Review, and we will see you soon. Bye guys!